In today's video, I'll teach you how to get multi-snap option back on Snapchat. First of all, launch open Snapchat application. Make sure you're logged into your account. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Usually, if you want to access the multi-snap option, what you have to do is tap on this downward icon that you can see right over here on your screen. You can see over here multi-snap option is available for me. If this option is available for you, you can simply take multiple snaps at a time and send it to your friends. But if this option is not available for you, you can try clearing the cache of the app. For that, what you have to do is simply tap on your profile icon that you can see at the top left corner of your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to your profile interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on the gear icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to access the settings. You'll be able to find various options over here. In the section for app and privacy, you'll be able to find this option for my privacy and data. Tap on it. Now you'll be able to manage your data. At second, you'll be able to find this option for clear cache. What you have to do is tap on it. Now this kind of pop-up will appear. What you have to do is tap on this option continue that you can see on the screen. After you do that, the cache of your application will be cleared. Now you should be able to access the multi-snap option. You can simply go back. Now tap on the downward arrow icon that you can see on the screen. Now you should be able to find the option for multi-snap. But if you do not find the multi-snap option, what you can do is simply try logging out of your account and logging in again. For that, tap on the profile icon that you can see at the top left corner of your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Tap on the gear icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now what you have to do is scroll down. At bottom, you'll be able to find this option for log out. Tap on it. Now this kind of pop-up will appear. Tap on the option log out that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be logged out of your account. Simply wait for a while. Now what you have to do is log into your account again. Tap on the login option that you can see on the screen. If you haven't saved the credentials, you'll have to enter the credentials in order to log into your account. Now after you log back into your account, simply tap on this icon again. Now you should be able to access the multi-snap option. But still, if this option is not appearing for you, what you can do is simply try updating the app. For that, launch open Play Store on your device. Now tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is search for Snapchat. You'll be able to see the results over here. Find the application for Snapchat and tap on it. Now in this interface, if you find the option for update, tap on it. Wait for a while. Now after a while, you can see over here Snapchat application will be updated. Now you can simply open the Snapchat. Now try looking for the multi-snap option. Now you can see over here this option will be available for you. So that is how you get multi-snap option back on Snapchat. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.